Hello there, I'm Eric Renault and this is a video for tipsquirrel.com. It's the free website for all things Adobe. In this video we'll be jumping into Photoshop and we'll be looking at how we can very quickly and easily revert all the text on a layer back to its default. Now why we want to do that and how we do that, let's take a look. Alright, so here I am in Photoshop and you can see that I've already designed a layer here that says someone's photography. This image comes to me from Adobe stock, by the way. Now what I want to do is I want to add more text into there, so I'm going to click on the text here and then click on the text and then go your wedding, your way. There we go. All right, now we can see very quickly that what's happened here is that this second bit of text has taken the attributes from the first one. Indeed, the settings there are what we call sticky settings, so they'll just carry on. Now that's great if you're trying to use the same text, the same font, the same color, everything else than you did at the very beginning, but here it's just too much, so we don't want that. Now I could go through and change all these attributes in the character panel. Now I've got the character panel up here. You can see that all you got to do is click on this A. If you can't see the character panel, then go to Window and then down to Character and it will open up somewhere. All right, so I've got my character panel open and what I'm going to do here is something very, very easy. You can see that I've got Your Wedding, Your Way already selected. I haven't got the text selected, but I have got that layer selected. And all I'm going to do is come up to the character panel and in this burger menu, just go down to Reset Character. And sure enough, everything goes back to the default. Now I can move this into place and start from scratch. And there we are. It really is as easy as that. I'm Eric Renault. This has been a video for tipsquirrel.com. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye for now.